Hi, I'm Jim Teal, parts manager here at our Milton Stoughton location. I'd like to take a little bit of time today to talk to you about our hose repair operation. As I'm sure you're well aware, a failed hose means downtime. So we have a fully stocked hose shop to quickly address your hose needs and get you back to work. We stock all the most common hoses and fittings for all makes and models of equipment, so we can help you whether your machine is CAT or another brand. Our state-of-the-art cutting saw uses a pinching force to cut the hose, which makes the most precise cut and reduces waste. The saw is enclosed and attached to a carbon-activated HEPA filtration system to collect debris and reduce dust, which helps keep the workspace safe and clean for our employees. We can build your hose the same day and many times within an hour. So bring us any hose in need of repair and see what our new location has to offer. We're located just off of Route 24 at 207 Page Street in Stoughton, Massachusetts. Thank you and have a great day.